Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is determining between area and perimeter. Let's understand the difference between the two and then we'll do some questions on the same. First, let's understand what is. As you can read from here, area is how much space is there in an object or the place can obtain. In other words, area is the space inside the object. It is measured as a product of length and the width in case of rectangle. If we have a rectangle whose length is L and width is W units, then the area is given by product of length and the width, and the unit is square units. Let's look at what the perimeter is. Perimeter is distance around an object or a place. In other words, you can say that perimeter is the distance around the outside of the object, while area is inside space, while perimeter is outside the distance outside the object. In case of rectangles, the perimeter is given by the formula perimeter P equals to 2 times the sum of the length and the width. Let's draw a rough looking triangle. This is the length, which is same, and this is the width, which is same. So perimeter is the distance around the rectangle, that is L plus W, which is nothing but 2 times L plus W, and the unit is only the unit of the length or the width. It's going to be meters or centimeters or kilometers, whatever. It will be the unit of length, that is not unit squared, only units. So this is the difference between the two. Let's look at the questions. The first one says, solve what would you use to measure the edges of a figure. To find out the edges of the figure, we have to find the distance or the length. That means we'll be using perimeter. So option D, perimeter, we are measuring around the edge. Option A also says perimeter, but here it says how much is inside, which is not the definition of the perimeter. This is measuring around the edge, which is option D. Let's look at the next question. Solve what would you use to find out how much string would be needed to surround a figure. Here we have to find out the length of the string that is needed to surround the figure. So that means again we have to find out the perimeter. So option A and B. Option A says perimeter, we are measuring how much is inside, which is not the right definition. Perimeter is we are measuring around the edge, that is option B is the correct one. Let's look at the next question. Solve what would you use to find out how much room animals have to move. So here we have to find out the space in which the animals can move. Space within means area. So option A and C are the one that says about area. Option A says area we are measuring around the edge. This is not the correct definition. Option C is the correct one. We are measuring how much is inside, that is how much space is available for the animals to move. Let's look at the next question. Solve what would you use to see how much pizza you will be eating. Now again you have to find out how much pizza will be eating, that is the area. So that is option D, we are measuring how much is inside. That will give us the amount of pizza that we will be eating. I hope determining between area and perimeter is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.